Welcome back, friends. In this lecture we shall going to see on the chloroplasts, its structure and its adaptation to the process of photosynthesis. So chloroplast simply is the organelle, a special organelle within a cell which is used in the process of photosynthesis, or which is packed with the pigments which are used in trapping the sunlight energy. So in eukaryotes, photosynthesis takes place in an organelle called chloroplast. It is the plastid containing a green pigment called chlorophyll. It is mainly found in leaves, young stem, or any other green parts of the plants. That's why in my previous video I told you that all the green parts of the plant, they are involved in the process of photosynthesis. However, the leaves are the major photosynthetic organ of the plant. So they are found in cytoplasm, varying from 1 as unicellular algae to about 100 in palisade mesoville cell. So they are different in number as referred to different types of the cells considered. Structure of chlorophyll. Structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are surrounded by two membranes which form the chloroplast envelope, and they always contain chlorophyll and other photosynthetic pigment located on a system of membrane. The membrane runs through a ground substance or stroma. So first it has envelope, which is double membrane, and then it has stroma. Stroma is like a cytoplasm of the cell. So stroma is simply like a cytoplasm of chloroplast. And then the membrane system is the site for the light-dependent reaction. And this membrane system, they are called thylakoid. The membrane are covered with chlorophyll and other pigment enzymes and electron carrier. The system consists of many flattened fluid sacs called thylakoid. So thylakoid, they are membranes which are present in the chlorophyll, as we shall see later. So thylakoid, which form stacks called grana at intervals with lamella or layers between the grana. So thylakoid is like one coin. Then if we have a bunch of coin, we have a number of coin, they form a grana. So lamella is connecting one grana with another granum. So grana is like plural. Grana is plural, singular is granum. So one granum and another granum is connected by the lamella, and they always call this intergranal lamella because it is between the granum. So it is intergranal lamella. So what we can say here is that each granum resembles a pile of coin. Granum resembles a pile of coin. So one coin is like thylakoid, while the pile of coins, they are granum, and the lamella are often sheet-like. So grana are just visible under light microscope as grains. Grana, they are visible as grains, kama punje. The stroma is the site for the light-independent reactions of photosynthesis. The structure of gel-like containing soluble enzymes, particularly those of carving cycle, and other chemicals such as sugar and organic acids. Excess carbohydrate for photosynthesis is sometimes seen stored as grains of starch. Spherical lipids droplets are often associated with membranes. They become large as membrane break down during aging, presumably accumulating lipid from the membranes. So this is simply about the structure of chloroplast, and the diagram of chloroplast, I have not included it here in this notes, but what I can say about it is that I may show you later about the diagram of chloroplast. So as you can see in this diagram, here we have these, which are the grana, and then we have stroma, stroma, then we have a thylakoid or the interglanum or interglanal lamella, and here in the glanum we have photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. You have ribosomes, DNA, lumen of glanum. Then this is how it is seen as a big structure, but I can't say exactly that this is the actual appearance of the chloroplast. Of course, this diagram is not well seen. Maybe later I find another diagram for you here. Okay, let's proceed to the adaptation of chloroplast. So chloroplasts have been adapted in different ways. First, the presence of chlorophyll for absorption of sunlight. Second, the presence of glanum and thylakoid holding the chlorophyll in proper position for absorption of light. And third, the membrane, which is permeable to materials, which are the log materials and products of photosynthesis to pass through it, maybe to enter or to leave the chloroplast. Fourth, the presence of appropriate enzymes for carbon dioxide fixation, such as in C3 plants we have rubisco or ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, and in C4 plants we have pep carboxylase. And fifth, the chloroplast has internal membrane system and folded inner membrane, making more surface area for light absorption. So here, as you can see, we have the study questions. What are the adaptations of chloroplast? Explain function of each component of chloroplast. For example, stroma has the function of the site for the dark reaction. Maybe thylakoid is the site for the light reaction. Then chloroplast, what is its function? And membrane, what is its function? And etc. And then we have compared the contrast chloroplast in the mitochondria. This is the cytology question, and for those who are following my videos, we already discussed it in cytology, and I am sure here nobody can get trouble in answering this question. So in the next video we shall be discussing about the photosynthetic pigment, and as you shall see, we shall see later, in this pigment we have three pigment. We have chlorophyll and carotenoids, and we have different absorption peaks, and we have different aspects to learn here. And after learning this, we shall go to study about photosystems. Then we shall study the mechanism of photosynthesis. So subscribe my channel for more updates, and don't forget to join my Telegram group, which has the link in the description below. Thank you everybody, and let I wish you nice studies. Thank you.